So we popped into the glass house to look at an exhibition all about houseplants, the Giant Houseplant Takeover, and it's been brilliant how houseplants have become the new household companions. It's more than just a plant, it's a little friend for your home. Great how young people as well have really engaged with this, growing them in terrariums and in old bits of furniture or bits of tin can. So let's go and have a look at this well-timed exhibition of houseplants, just catching on to this amazing trend that took a lot of us who've been in the trade for a long time, took us by surprise. But I'm all for it. Anything to encourage people to have plants in their lives. Now here's the thing, one of the most sought after plants in the world at the moment, the variegated cheese plant. Those two there are probably worth about £500 each. Really, I'm starting to think, what else could we do with plants? We think we have to stick them into pots, but actually you can plant up plants in any sort of vessel or container or picture frame, it would appear. So I'm starting to be inspired here. I'm starting to wonder just what else could we do with houseplants. Look at how they've planted up these hanging terrariums here, using the vertical space. If you run out of shelf space, hang up a houseplant. Or two. Look at these, it's like a walkway of kind of plant chandeliers. So here's a little reminder that orchids actually don't naturally grow in the ground, they grow up in the trees. They're, I think epiphytes is the right word. They hang out of a host tree, and you can see their roots dangling there. The roots hang into the air and absorb moisture and nutrients from the air. Beautiful. So these are by far the most popular of all the orchids. These are the moth orchids, the Phalaenopsis, and look at the range of colours, beautiful. Might just slip in a photograph here of our dear friend Shirley's Phalaenopsis in her kitchen windowsill that has been flowering for, well, probably years and smothered in flowers.